I'm back in Glenelg, Adelaide's buzzing beachside suburb. AFL tragics Chrissy and Sao had got the location right, but the decor horribly wrong. Now it's time to see if all evidence of Port Adelaide has been removed. New turf, planting and a newly painted roof was just the ticket. Thank you, King Charles. Inside the kitchen is drab no more, thanks to the incredible powers of resurfacing. Well, my genius idea of re-establishing the third bedroom with a separate study has worked a treat. Not a Guernsey in sight. Goodbye to AFL mania. Love the polished floors, sleek window shades, and those French doors are brilliant. This was not what I'd call an entertaining area. But Team Shah have been at it again. You can now actually enjoy this beautifully styled space sans the dog poo. This was a blinder of a transformation, and it just goes to show you can take the AFL out of the house. Maybe not the girl, of course. But the creation of bedroom 3, well, that was pure genius. Now it's time to get it on the market.